In 2024, capital punishment, or the death penalty, remains a stark reality in many places. Today, we spotlight 10 countries still enforcing this ultimate penalty. From varied legal frameworks to the diverse crimes warranting death, join us as we explore these nations' complex relationship with the death sentence. Subscribe for more insights, and let's unravel the narrative of justice versus morality in the modern age. Number 1. China. China remains the country with the highest number of executions, which are often conducted in secrecy. The government views the death penalty as a deterrent for serious crimes, despite international criticism regarding transparency and human rights. Number 2. Iran. Iran continues to use the death penalty extensively, particularly for crimes such as murder, drug trafficking, and offenses against the state. Capital punishment is seen as a means to maintain law and order, though it has attracted global condemnation for its frequency and the types of crimes it covers. Number 3. Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, the death penalty is used for a variety of crimes, including murder, drug offenses, and apostasy. Public executions are a method of underscoring the government's commitment to Sharia law, despite international calls for reform. Number 4. Iraq. Iraq implements capital punishment, mainly for terrorism-related offenses. The country's security challenges and ongoing conflict have led to the use of the death penalty as a tool in the fight against terrorism. Number 5. Egypt. Egypt has seen a rise in the number of executions in recent years. The government justifies the use of the death penalty as necessary for combating terrorism and ensuring national security. Number 6. United States. The U.S. continues to carry out the death penalty, with significant regional variations in its application. While some states have abolished it, others actively execute it, citing it as a critical component of their criminal justice system. Number 7. Vietnam. Vietnam conducts executions, but details are often kept confidential. The death penalty is justified by the government as a deterrent against serious crimes, though there is little public information available. Number 8. Yemen. Despite the ongoing conflict, Yemen still enforces the death penalty. The chaotic political situation complicates the legal process, and capital punishment is often criticized for lacking fair trial standards. Number 9. Japan. Japan maintains the death penalty, carrying out executions infrequently. The government defends its use as reflecting the will of the people and as a measure for the most heinous crimes. Number 10. India. India retains the death penalty for certain crimes, including terrorism and murder. The government argues that it is reserved for the rarest of rare cases, with the aim of deterring grave offenses. These countries uphold the death penalty amidst the global trend towards abolition, often citing it as a necessary tool for justice and deterrence, despite international human rights concerns.